Hi everyone, welcome back to Listen Up with Sim and Isha, where we dive into real conversations about life, personal growth, and everything in between. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you, so turn up the volume and listen up. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Listen Up with Sim and Isha. तो कुछ देर पहले we did an episode of life in 20s and I think life उस part का 20s के decade के part का बहुत बड़ा part होता है हमारी friendships. So today me and Simran are diving right in and talking about how those friendships evolve and grow with us. And I love this topic because मेरी जिंदगी का and I think Simran की जिंदगी का भी बहुत बड़ा part हमारे दोस्त हैं. And like soulmates rather. I've not met my soulmate in life yet, but I've met my soulmate in friendships.
Oh,
So it's a big part of my life.
that is so cute. I think this reminds me, I am a 90s baby, so my favorite quote from a movie, which is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, in which he says, Pyar, dosti hai. Love is friendship. And that's exactly what I believe. But what I do believe now is that when I was a kid, I used to think, oh, love means friendship means the love, and I found the one. But now I've realized there is so much love in our girlfriends, in our friends, not just girlfriends, but like friends who
Yeah, I know.
provide us with so much support and emotional support and like so many other things. And yeah, I cannot imagine my life without my inner circle. I don't even know what I'll do without them.
मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मेरी लाइफ इनकम्प्लीट होती है, मेरी लाइफ चल ही ना पाती अगर मेरी लाइफ में मेरे दोस्त नहीं होते.
100%.
And I've had very different set of group of friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had my engineering set of friends. They were based in Jalandhar, where I live. Then I had my MBA friends. They were based in Bangalore. Most of them are across India.
Yeah.
And then but there are few people who have had for like more than 15 years now who've
Yeah.
stuck with me for that time. And one of those person very closest is my best friend. And she's here with me in Jalandhar only.
Lovely.
तो वो actually मेरी 15 to 16 year old पुरानी दोस्त है. And I think some way we both resonate to the fact कि we both got lucky. हम एक दूसरे को ये बहुत बोलते हैं कि we both got lucky by finding each other because it's very hard. हम स्कूल में मिले थे and we've never been in the same streams, we've never been in the same colleges. हमने कभी साथ में पढ़ाई नहीं की है. It's just been when we've met उसके बाद कभी लगा ही नहीं कि किसी और की जरूरत है. धीरे-धीरे I found new people and I have a lot of new friends also. But then one person, like you mentioned कि वो soulmate वाली energy that I found in that one friendship 15-16 years ago.
Yeah.
उस time नहीं पता था क्या हो रहा है मेरी life में, but now she's part of my life कि वो she's like my mom's second daughter. उस
Yeah.
तरह से.
Well, I completely
वो वाला
resonate with
relationship.
that. Yeah. I think like a lot of us think there are your friends, means people from your friends' life circle, your school, college, work, blah blah blah, and then you have your inner circle. And I feel like two of those things are different. Like normalize saying colleague or like like not everybody is your friend. But even in your friendship circles, you need to know that there is an inner circle and like your friends. So there's one friend who I remember when I used to work in Milan, she was my lunch buddy. I used to only go have lunch with her. We never met outside work for some reason, but we were always doing lunch together, and she used to work in the opposite office. So we were like work lunch buddies, and that was our energy. But I also have an inner circle, and that inner circle is two friends of mine, which I've had since I was in school also. And they are literally the same as your friend, and they are everything to me. And I will share anything with them. And we have been friends for more than 10 years, 12 years, maybe more. And I think those kind of friendships are so important as well, because those people have seen you through so much in your life. So much. And they're going to be the ones
And
who
they've
are
accepted
going to...
it. ठीक है? You've
Yeah.
changed. You have changed over the years. पिछले
Yeah.
10 सालों की ईशा में बहुत फर्क आया होगा.
Oh,
But that one person had stuck through that every phase and accepted that every phase. So that's why that friendship is very, very important to me.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I get it. हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ we are obviously very close and we have that bond. But उसके बाद 20s की जो decade आई है ना इस relationship में, उसको भी बहुत लोग मिले हैं और मुझे भी बहुत लोग मिले हैं जिनके साथ हमारे different versions of friendship बन गए हैं. जैसे some people I just go out for hangouts with, for coffee. Like I know this is my coffee buddy.
Yeah.
I would love to go out for a cup of coffee with you. Every few months we'll connect. Or some people are just online friends. They live in a different country. They don't live in India anymore. But then we'll always stay connected online. some people are just meme friends. I'll just share my memes with some people and not talk to them too much. But then you keep sending them Instagram memes, something you see and they remind you of it. Even it was like 6 years back, but still they're your meme friends. So I think हर तरह की दोस्ती इस time में evolve हो रही है. And I love how we're living in a time where every friendship has its own space. And I love that.
Yes, and I feel like these friendships also make you a whole person, you know. And I know that I grew up romanticizing love so much that I forgot the love that friendship gives us, you know. And love, that is such a way more stronger, trustworthy, loyal, committed love that I've ever felt in my life, you know. But for some reason, we were never taught to value a friend, you know, or like how
Yeah.
important friendships are. We are only taught ki, you know, find a guy, marry him, have children, blah blah blah. But nobody tells you ki through your life you're gonna need, you know, your people in your corner, because those are the
Mm.
people who fill your cup and make you who you are. And you need to have a life beyond just, you know, your partner and your family and your children and whatever else you have in your life. You need to have another life also with your friends. And I think you don't need to have a million friends always, because I know me. We're talking about friendship today. I am not the most social person on earth. My family used to joke about this all the time because my brother knows like a million people, and I probably am like the person who will have like 2, 3, 4 friends you can count on the fingers, because I'm very selective, you know, with my energy. I'm very selective with who I allow into my life. So if somebody listening to this podcast thinks like, oh my god, I don't have that many friends, I'm such a bore, and like, you know, or like I'm such a weirdo. You're not a weirdo. Like there was a point in my life I only had two friends, my school friends, because I was going through a lot, and they were the only ones who were around. And I was not in the headspace to create any other friends or keep any other friendships, you know. But today I'm in a different place, and I have more like, you know, people I've met at events, people I know from work, people I know from here. But what I mean is that like it's okay if you're also not got a million friends, because it's important to have quality friendships of people you
Exactly.
genuinely, you know, will be there for you, support you, instead of just,
Quality
you
over
know.
quantity any day.
Exactly.
Any day. You don't need 10 people to support
Exactly.
you. When you're actually down, when nothing is going right for you, वो एक person भी अगर आपकी life में हो,
Yeah.
एक दो लोग जितने भी you need, maybe you don't need 10 people then, वो दो लोग भी आपको उतनी support दे सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
10 लोग शायद आपको उतनी support दे भी ना पाए. You might not
Exactly.
get it in this right now, but जब आप actually down होते हो, you need one person to listen to you for every bit of you. कि यार मेरी हर बात सुन ले थोड़ी देर के लिए. And that one person can actually give you that. जो आपको इतने अच्छे से समझता है. 10 लोग बहुत superficial level पे आपको समझेंगे और कोई भी आपको वो comfort नहीं दे पाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
So I think if
एंड कभी कभार ना गो कि हाँ वो मेरा दोस्त है, चलो ये मेरी कहानी, ये मेरा दुख भरी कहानी, एंड यू शेयर एंड देन यू रियलाइज ओ शिट आई ओवरशेयर्ड, ओ आई डिडंट नीड टू से दिस टू, you know.
yeah,
This happens, and then you realize, because you have not made that distinction of who is your inner circle. What are those people who you can trust, who you can share with, who will help you? They will elevate you. They will level you up in ways you didn't know. And those are the people who deserve access to that. Not everybody. Don't go around being a free book, because then everybody will stamp over you, take you for granted, and then, you know, they won't value you. Your value is also perceived by the inner circle that you keep and the friendships that you
of
keep.
course, of course.
So, yeah.
वो मूवी का डायलॉग था ना where Dr. Jhangi tells us कि who are your 5 core people,
Exactly.
and she names like 3 people and 4
Yeah.
people, and like she said the 5th one keeps changing. Yeah. So I relate to that a lot, क्योंकि मेरे जो core people है ना, 4-5 people जो core वाले हैं, वो change नहीं हुए हैं कभी भी life में. They've always stuck through everything. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है my personality is also shaped because of them. It's not just them anymore. I have traits that they used to have. Like one of my friends is very spiritual. I think that has leaned on, like I've learned that from her.
Yeah.
One of my friends loves traveling and exploring cafes. That thing is I've learned from her. One of my friends is like a mirror. So he's that guy who will always show me the mirror whenever I talk to him.
Yeah.
Whatever I may be saying, he'll never tell me, give me an opinion. He'll show me the mirror as it is. And I love that trait about him. It's so raw, and very rarely you see it in people now. But he'll always be that person to me. And it's been 10 years today, and now I understand कि उसने मुझे कितने lessons सिखाए हैं life में. So that core people, 4-5 people, उन्होंने मेरी personality shape करने में मुझे बहुत help किया.
And I think that is the thing, that's why you need to know how to create this circle for yourself also, because you need to
Of
have a
course.
strong
Yes.
friend. It doesn't have to be a big circle. I'm talking about a strong circle of
Strong
people that
circle.
you can bank on, you can depend on. And I get a question a lot on my Instagram from, especially, we all know how difficult it is to build any kind of relationships today. And like on top of that, adult friendships is
Adult
difficult
friendships. Oh
because
yes.
आपके friends are usually who you went to school with, who you went to college with, who you work with. Those are your friends, right? That's your friend circle. So how, if you're somebody who didn't have any or didn't stay in touch with those people, how do you have any adult friendships, right? So I get this question a lot. So Isha, what do you do if you want to connect with new people? Who are people you wanna,
I think I have understood the power of social media
Hmm.
in the last few years, and I think I've realized कि वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है. तो finding the right people in online communities is one thing that I would,
Yeah.
I prefer. And I have to say this, I found you this way, so this is
Yeah.
like big for me. We became friends online.
Yeah.
We've not met in person, which is so surreal to this date, but yes, we became such good friends. We had
Yes.
such a good connection. Lived two different lives, but then I relate to you so much.
Mhm.
And I felt that over, content with you, and then we became friends. I think online communities is one way. What is one thing that you suggest to people that they can do कि इस एज में आकर 20s में आकर दोस्त कैसे बनाए?
So definitely, I online communities is a big one, and we met like that. But of course, safe online communities, places where like-minded people are there, and
Yes.
like if don't join a group for people who likes violence if you don't like violence, like it doesn't make sense. So like-minded people, I think that's very easy, and that's why like a lot of
Yes.
people have been telling me, and I'm working on it, to have a community for brown boss babes as well. So hopefully that's
Oh,
gonna
wow.
come out this year. So if you are interested and if you want to join, definitely go to my page and sign up for the waitlist, so you know that whenever it's out.
Oh, I can vouch
So,
for
yeah.
it, guys. This is going to be a good community. Join in. Girls, go join in.
Yeah, so we're working on that. But other than that, I would say is also for me, two things. Number one, hobbies, the activities that you pick up in your life. If you are somebody who likes running, go join a running club. In the running club, you're going to meet other people like you who like to run, right? So you will have something in common, and you will learn something new about them, and you can see if you want to, be aligned as people. I do that with my Pilates classes, for example, or yoga, or reading, or book clubs, So, like, join these kind of things where you think people like you would also be there. So that way you have something in common to, start that friendship, and then you can take it from there and build a good connection with that person, right? And the second thing I would say is events. There is a lot of in-person events that happen in every city. Go on Google, type events in my city. I promise you're going to find something or the other happening in your city which connects with you. So I remember I traveled to Dubai last year for Mind Valley, and it was in Dubai. I could afford to take a flight and go there, and I was so happy I went to that event because I met so many people exactly like me, because they were all people who were like spiritually inclined, people who were working on themselves, people who were building businesses, and they were exactly like me. So I was just like, it was so cool to be around people who understood where I came from as well, and it was easier to kind of build a friendship. So I'm not saying take a flight to Dubai, but what I'm saying is like find things around you that you can do, or join things that you can do, so that you can meet different kind of people. Networking
Of
events
course.
are amazing.
I think the common denominator on all three things is take initiative.
Oh yes.
Like wherever you are, online हो, किसी community में जाने की सोच रहे हो, you're going to an event. First you have to have in your mind कि you want to take initiative, because if you don't do that, तो तुम दोस्त नहीं बना पाओगे. But if you do, you don't know what kind of friendships you will build.
Exactly. Like it's that typical thing. You're sitting at home, scrolling, doing your thing, binging Netflix for like 3 days, and you're like, oh, where is the love of my life? Oh, oh, no, but I have no friends. Oh, life is so boring. What are you doing? Do you think the love of your life is going to ring your doorbell and like be like, hey, I'm here? No, right? Like, you have to take initiative. You have to go out. You have to try and meet people. Like, you have to. And that's the only way that you will build any kind of new connections in your life, not sitting in your house, like, watching
Not
Netflix.
sitting in your house, definitely. You have to reach out.
Yeah.
And we are the best example in front of you. We reached out to each other. We built that connection and we have
Yeah.
a podcast together today.
Absolutely.
So you don't know what can come out of a friendship.
Oh yes, and I think friends are gonna be there for you no matter what. Like
No matter what, yes.
it's the only connection on planet Earth where you don't have blood that is bonding you. It's not like your parents or your sibling where okay, your family, so you have to stick together. It's not like that. At the same time, it is not love or romantic either. So you're not getting anything which makes you feel like, oh, like this person is the wonderful person, blah, blah, blah. Friendships are the most boring, healthy, platonic things in your life. But they can be the best emotional supports. Best.
So the best platonic love there is friendship.
Oh,
Blessed kind of love.
I feel like
Yeah, definitely.
everyone needs to have someone like that in their life because that is what, will make your life worth living,
Worth living, exactly. It'll make your days better and brighter if you have that one or two person that you can count on.
Yeah.
You just don't know how you don't know तुम्हें कब किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है, but जब वो होते हैं ना, चाहे तुम 10 दिन किसी से बात ना करो, but जिस दिन करते हो, it's just better.
I swear, I agree, absolutely. Lovely. So on that
This
note,
was a little emotional. This got
oh
me-
yeah, I'm just like, oh my god, I'm gonna go call up my friend now.
Exactly.
I'm feeling hello.
All my friend after this.
Anyway, but yeah, we are looking to make new friends as well, guys. So if you're listening in, if you don't know where to start, don't be quiet. Leave us comments. Talk to us in our DMs on Instagram. We will respond.
Yes.
We are not like one of those people. So yeah, we are always open for listening to you, whatever you need. And yeah, we're looking forward to making new episodes for you as well in the coming months. So yeah,
Yes.
right, Isha?
See you guys in the next episode. Listen up.
Absolutely. See ya. Bye-bye. That's a wrap for today's episode of Listen Up with Sim and Isha. Hope you enjoyed the conversation and make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay tuned and listen up.